Want to create a professional attendance tracker like this? Here is how to do it. Select the range where you will have your tick mark and cross mark. Then click on conditional formatting, then click on icon sets, and from here select manage rules. Now click on this option show icon only. Change the icon style to this one. Change the second icon to cross, this one, and change the type to number for both of them. Now write 1 for the tick mark and 0 for the cross mark and click on OK. Now let's test it. If I write here 1, it shows tick mark, and if I write here 0, it shows cross mark. Okay. Now let's write here formula equal to count if. Double click here. Select the range where you have your tick mark and cross mark. Add comma, criteria will be 1, all the tick mark, close parenthesis, and divide by 5. Okay. Now if I press enter, it will show us percentage. Now here in this cell, you can see we have already formatted this as a percentage. Now I'm going to write another formula here. I'm going to write equal to, then 1 minus our formula from this cell. Press enter and let's change the font to black here, and you can see we have 50%. Now let's double click here to autofill and double click here to autofill. So if I add check mark here, our percentage is changing. That means our formula is now working. Now I'm going to select this range. From the conditional formatting, I'm going to select data bars, and then I'm going to select more rows. From here, I'm going to select formula. And I'm going to select formula here also, because our data bar will be placed based on our formula. And here our solid fill color will be, let's say I want green. And our direction will be left to right. Our value will be minimum will be 0 and maximum will be 1. And now I'm going to click OK. So you can see we have our data bars prepared. So if I give it another one, you can see it's working. Let's change it. Now for this option, select the range, conditional formatting, data bars, more rules. Again, type will be formula. Color will be, let's say red. Value minimum will be 0, maximum will be 1. And bar direction, now I want right to left. Now if I click on OK, and you can see our data bar is here and here. So let's try this. Here is your attendance tracker.